Hi, Dr. Pelto here. I wanted to share something with you guys that I'm working on. It's a new course on plantar fasciitis. It's basically taking this little plantar fasciitis book and putting it into a course format for anyone that's interested. I've shared about this book before, but I'd like to just show you a little bit what's in this book if you wanted to get it downloaded for you. It comes with a little video from me, which I'm going to mute right now. You don't want to watch me twice. There's the actual file of the book for the download. You can get right here to get the whole book. It's right there. You just click the download button. But the neat thing is there are some additional resources. Eventually, I'm going to be making another course to go along with this, but all this initial stuff is just free. What you'll find here are all the book downloads. So there are links basically to the videos on YouTube, patient handouts we have in the office on cortisone injections, information about shockwave therapy, shockwave information, amniotic membrane therapy, contrast bath instructions, and then some examples of the tools that can be used. Now, on each of these, you're going to see a little link to Amazon. I think I make 1%. It's not about that. It's just making sure if people are going to buy things, they buy it at the right location. It's not, you're not going to get rich by being an Amazon affiliate. Okay. And here are just different places, trigger point tools, how to do those videos, how to do foam rolling, how to use the stick. This is someone I borrowed from someone else's video on how to do a stick, how to do calf stretches, which I don't normally recommend, but they can be used if you're not doing anything else. These are all videos. Some examples of night splints, Strasbourg socks, walking boots, a nice orthotic that I found, some good shoes that I found, supportive sandals that I found, how to strap your foot. Here's some tape if you need it. Some other types of resources, air heels, compression sleeve, books on weight loss. Actually, this is a video on a patient on intermittent fasting, a couple of books that I like on intermittent fasting, and then the Amazon recommendations. And then at the end, there's some bonus things I put together. This is what I'm kind of excited about, especially if you've been dealing with plantar fasciitis for a long time. There's going to be 4 PDFs that you can download. One's called the Plantar Fasciitis Checklist. This is something I go over with every patient that comes into the office about how they're being treated and what we're going to do next. What you have next is a foot pain treatment checklist. This is a checklist that I use with each patient when they come in, their diagnosis, when they're seen, what we're planning on doing. And then I have these little tracking boxes. I know it seems kind of funny, but whatever's tracked gets better faster. So there's 14 boxes here, and I have them track icing, foam rolling, naproxen, or other types of things that they're doing, like if they're using their walking boot. And then I also think it's good if you think about your condition. So you'll find here what worked, what didn't work, and what would you do differently. This you can actually take to your own doctor if you're being seen by someone else and have them look at it. A couple of tools that I'm kind of proud about, some processes. One's the plantar fasciitis scorecard. It's a way that you can look at different areas of plantar fasciitis and how you rank, and then if you need treatment. Basically, should you be treating it on your own or should you be seeing someone? So looking at the severity, the length of symptoms, morning pain, effects on lifestyle, weight gain, your understanding about plantar fasciitis, effects on attitude and shoe gear. And then finally, the other tool that I invented was the plantar fasciitis treatment evaluator. It has the treatments that are most effective on the top, least effective on the bottom. The reason I do that is because people spend all their time in the bottom and no time on the top. And that's why they take a long time getting better, 6 months or a year before they come and see someone. So all these here then have checklists underneath it. These are all just PDFs that you can download. So all this is for free on this plantar fasciitis course. There's going to be a little link underneath the video if you'd like to download this. So tell me what you think, please. My email is in the course. And please email me back and let me know. This book or this course eventually might be charged for, but for now, I'm leaving it for free. Okay. You can even bring it to your doctor, some of these tools, and have them go over them with you. Okay. Tell me what you think. Thank you.